Okay. Hi guys, how's it going? Setiap kali saya upload video ke YouTube, ada banyak request untuk matcha. Jadi hari ini saya mau coba bikin green tea white chocolate muffins. Bahan-bahan untuk Bang Ben's green tea white chocolate muffins, white chocolate, baking powder. Ada mentega, telor, satu aja, susu, tepung terigu, gula halus, bubuk, matcha, bisa beli ini di supermarket, minyak goreng, garam, perisa kelapa, perisa vanila, dan ini perwana hijau. Ini resepnya masih gampang, dan pertama mau campurkan gula halus, tepung terigu, baking powder, perisa vanila, jangan lupa sedikit 1 pinch aja garam. Untuk Bang Ben's green tea muffins, sangat penting ini bubuk matcha. Ada bangkuk lagi, dan di sini mau susu, minyak goreng. Sekarang saya mau tambahkan mentega di sini di mangkuk. Ini sudah mencair karena saya taruh ini di microwave untuk 30 detik. Tambahkan ini di sini. Sekarang mau gunakan telur. Aduk ini. Berikutnya, campurkan ini. Dan sekarang saya mau campurkan tepung dengan telur. Tepung lagi. Aduk lagi. Aduk lagi. Ini hampir sudah siap, jadi mau gunakan sedikit susu lagi. Ini sudah selesai. Sangat penting, sebelum masak muffin, tambahkan sedikit perisa kelapa dan pewarna hijau. Dan aduk lagi. Ini sudah siap, warnanya harus kehijauan. Setiap kali saya pakai ini rice cooker, airnya harus panas. Jadi, nyalakan ini dan tunggu 5 menit. Airnya sudah panas, jadi mau tambahkan ini di sini. Masak untuk 17 menit. Terakhir, tambahkan ini white chocolate di sini di microwave untuk 30 detik. Okay guys, mau cobain. Here we go, here's my muffin I've made in the rice cooker. Got that white chocolate. Just gonna kind of, just go for it really, just go for it. Here we go. Oh, that's delicious. I mean, of course, the main taste is definitely green tea. You can definitely taste that. White chocolate, it goes so well with green tea. I was thinking whether I might do milk chocolate instead of white chocolate, but I decided in the end white chocolate's going to be better. It tastes really, really good. Look how kind of like the texture. The last thing you want from a muffin is it to be too dry, and that's just perfect. And then when you melt the white chocolate just on top of that muffin and put it in the top, oh, it's lovely, really, really good. So this was really, really easy, as you just saw again. Again, I'm using my rice cooker. Always happy to do that. I'm going to try and do one dessert a week because it seems to me that you guys love the desserts more than anything, and this channel is all about you guys, not about me, and I want to cook new things that you can do at home, alright? So, once again, easy recipe, 2 bowls, one with the dry ingredients, one with the wet ingredients, mix it all together, get it in the rice cooker, 17 minutes, you get a muffin like this, lovely white chocolate. I'll see you next time. I'm going to finish eating this because it's really fun, and I will make sure that I'm going to plan the next video, so you're going to be really happy. So, see you later guys, see you next time. Out my hand though. No way. Is that right? No. No.
30 detik.
Detik. Detik. Okay, let me try again. Detik. Right. Perwana. Okay. Because Perwana, yeah. 30. I've forgotten. Detik. Detik. All I've got to remember is that one word, detik. Seconds is detik. Right. Okay. Okay. Rice cooker.